Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register Hexclad for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is head on over to hexclad.com and then scroll down to the bottom of the page here. So basically get to the website footer. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click onto the warranty button here. Now it says here, in order for you to be entitled to make a claim on this warranty, you must, within the specified warranty period for the applicable purchase, you must follow the process over at this link here. So go ahead and open this link up. Now basically want to go ahead and register. So from here, put in your personal information. So your first name, last name, phone number, email, your street addresses, city. So you go ahead and fill this out. Also your purchase information, purchase date, and then go ahead and solve the captcha and click on submit. Now once you submit the registration form, review your details and click on that submit register product. Your Hexclad cookware will then be registered for your warranty coverage. Also save the confirmation, so once submitted you may also receive a confirmation email. Keep your receipt and registration confirmation in case you need to file a warranty claim later.